Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of three of the most talked about AI coding assistants or tools in 2026: Cloud Code, Cursor, and Google Anti-Gravity, so you can decide which one will transform your development workflow, boost your productivity, and maybe even write code for you. So let's get started. We start with Cloud Code. Claude Code is an AI coding assistant from Anthropic designed to work inside your actual coding workflow in your terminal, in your IDE, on your desktop, on web or iOS, and even inside Slack. Instead of just generating snippets in a chat box, Claude can read code, it can understand and manipulate your live code base. It's like having an AI pair programmer that knows your entire project structure and dependencies. Cloud Code uses advanced large models to deeply analyze and transform code, making coordinated edits across multiple files, turning to-dos into finished features, fixing classes of bugs, and much more. For pro developers, this isn't just autocomplete. It's context-aware coding assistance that feels like working with a senior engineer who never sleeps. Next up is Cursor. It's an AI-powered IDE that is built as an enhanced version of Visual Studio Code. Yes, it includes deep AI integrations to boost your day-to-day coding. And unlike Cloud Code, which is more like a coding assistant or a coding agent, Cursor is a full IDE, meaning you open it to write, edit, and navigate your entire project. With the help of AI, of course. Cursor's strength is that it understands your code base, it suggests multi-line edits, and predicts where you're going next. Even lets you use natural language commands like refactor this module or add authentication support. It also supports multiple large models, so you can choose which AI powers your coding help. Lastly, there's Anti-Gravity. It's among the newest and most ambitious tools. Instead of being a simple assistant or editor, Anti-Gravity is designed from the ground up as an agent-first IDE. In Anti-Gravity, AI agents are autonomous actors. They don't just suggest code, they plan, execute, test, and report back their progress as structured outputs such as task lists, screenshots, or recordings that you can verify independently. This is cutting edge, and it positions Anti-Gravity as not just a tool that you use, but a system that can execute engineering goals, almost like delegating to a team of AI developers. Now let us talk about the main features of each of these platforms. We start with Cloud Code. Agentic code edits. Yes, it understands entire projects and make multi-file changes. IDE and terminal integration. It works right inside VS Code, JetBrains or CLI. Uses developer tools. Git, test runners, build system, Cloud interacts with them. Controlled edits. Yeah, it always asks before changing your code. It is ideal for complex refactors, debugging, and managing large code bases. Cursor has full AI ID. It's built as a fork of VS Code with AI everywhere. Smart autocomplete plus natural commands. You tell it what to do in plain English. There's cross-model support. It works with GPT, Claude, Gemini, and more. And deep code-based understanding. Ask questions about your entire project. It feels like a normal developer's environment, but with AI superpowers that are baked in. How about Google Anti-Gravity? Agent-first workflow. The agents don't just help, they act. Structured outputs, trackable artifacts for accountability, and multiple agents and control panel. Yes, you can orchestrate multiple tasks simultaneously. And it supports multiple models, including Gemini and Claude models. The idea is to move beyond assistants. To autonomous development partner. So what is the pricing of all these platforms like? With Cloud, there's the free version that costs you nothing but is limited. There's the pro version at $17 per month. And there's the max subscription at $100 per person per month. Now that's the individual plan. You can do a team plan and you can do an API plan. With Cursor, there's the hobby plan, which is free. There's the Pro plan at $20 per month, the Pro Plus plan at $60 per month, and an Ultra plan at $200 per month. And you can also do business plans as well. And with Google Anti-Gravity, there's the individual plan at $0 per month, a developer plan via Google One subscription, a team plan via Google Workspace subscription, and the organization plan via Google Cloud. So what are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Claude, deep project understanding, which is great for big or messy code bases, and it works inside existing tools like VS Code and JetBrains. The pros of Cursor: full AI IDE, no need for separate tools, and natural language and deep code navigation. And the pros of Google Anti-Gravity: agent-first architecture, structured outputs for accountability, and it supports multiple models. What are the cons? For Claude, it requires developer expertise to review the outputs, and it's not a standalone IDE. It's focused more on assisting code than replacing an editor. With Cursor, the AI suggestions can sometimes misplace code, and users must manage context and the revisions carefully. And Google Anti-Gravity, while currently it is still in preview, it's not published for all workflows. So which of the three is best? Well, here's a brief overview. If you want AI that deeply understands, edits, and refactors your real code base, then Claude Code is your best bet, especially for professional settings where automated changes save hours. Then if you want AI-enhanced coding environments that's intuitive, flexible, and IDE first, Cursor is superb, especially for developers who like VS Code workflows. And lastly, if you want to explore true autonomous AI development, Google Anti-Gravity is most exciting, even if it's still evolving tech. And that's it on the comparison of Claude Code, Cursor, and Anti-Gravity. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore GitHub Copilot, Replit Ghostwriter, and Tab9. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.